What's going on, everybody there in YouTube land? John Booter here in a garage that is now open. So this here is my new bike. It's a 2018 model Kona Explosif. It's a steel frame hardtail, and I just picked it up yesterday. It's got the dropper seat post, which is kind of neat. I'm just going to lower that for now and then raise it up as I get going. So I'm going to just take it for a spin. I got the Hero 8 Black GoPro on a chest mount, and then I got my homemade microphone with dead cat kind of tucked in one of the straps of the chest mount as well. And I got the hyper smooth feature on. So I tried a 2-camera setup previously, and didn't work out too well just because the clamp kept slipping down, so I'm trying this one now. High gear now, first time I'm in high gear. See how the wind noise is. I'm gonna go try to see how it does on some bumps. Ooh. I know how the bike does on bumps, but I mean the camera setup. I did look before I pulled down the road. Since it's mounted on my chest, you can't see where my head goes. These tires are noisy on the road. Knobbly ones. Yeah, I like how this fork handles the bumps. Pretty nice. You have to start wearing sunglasses or glasses because there's bugs out. So yeah, there you have it. Bumps. I think I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video and just ride home on the road. Pretty boring to watch somebody pedal along a road, so I'm gonna stop. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.